You know that fridge we were obsessing over? Well, it's finally here in Australia and we got to take a closer look. It's the Samsung BESPOKE fridge, launching with 7 colours and 2 materials, allowing for hundreds of combinations, so it doesn't matter if you're more a minimalist or want to have a bit more fun with your fridge.
But it's what's on the inside that counts, and it's not lacking there, with self-filling water jugs and swappable fridge freezer zones. It's part of Samsung's BESPOKE home range, making everyday appliances a little more beautiful. Lots of love, Josh and Matt.